All right, guys. Issue that keeps coming up is how do I save my parts and how do I save my files? All right, so the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is go here to 3D Space. This app with the arrow, click on 3D Space, and you're going to create a new space. To do that, come up here to My Collaborative Spaces and this little caret, this little down arrow, click on that, and it's basically right here, add a new collaborative space. When that comes up, please put your name in the title. That comes in really handy. Uh, you can put in the description. Maybe you can put if you're in class, like class number, whatever, or CAD 2, CAD 3. That's really handy. CAD 1, CAD 2, CAD 3. Down here, you can leave it private, visible to members only. So I will be able to see this. Basically, I'll be able to get in as well to grade your assignments. And when you're done with that, just hit create. So now that comes up in here, I have other spaces as well. So that creates that space. And now you're done with that. And that holds up, as what I understand, up to about 5 gigs. So that should be more than enough to complete this class. If you need to, you can always create another collaborative space. Okay, so I'm going into Xdesign now. Click on New Component. Now here's where it's really important. Once you click on New Component, this is what determines where this is going to get saved. So let's call this part 1. Let's call it bike part, whatever. So it's your bike part 1. Now this is important. Location. You see it's up to John Jones. We want to change it to Jane Doe. Now we click OK, and now it's whatever's we're going to be doing. We're going to be saving that to Jane Doe. So it's important to get that set up right to start with. Okay, so we're going to create a 10-second real simple part here. Make a square block, come down here, features, and there we go, 35 millimeters thick. Okay, so we've made this part, and now we're all done with it. We're ready to save it. So to save it, you come down here to this little icon, and no one knows what this is anymore, oddly enough. This is what I think, a 3.5-inch floppy disk drive. No one knows what these are. This is how you save. You click on that, save a component. It is now saved. Where is it saved to? It's saved to that Jane Doe collaborative file. So after you're done, you should be able to close it out. Let's do this again. Let's go into Xdesign just to check to make sure. And this is a good idea for you to do as well. If you're not sure if it's saved or not, go ahead and do a 10-second part like I did. Click Save. Now, instead of New Component, I'm going to go click on Open. When that comes up, you need to go to, let's see, right there, Part 1, Bike. Click on that. See if it comes up. And yes, it did. We are winners. All right, guys, so that's how you create a collaborative space, and that's also how you save parts, which will come in really handy.